Yep. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Like my actual premium vlog, because I don't vlog with talking, but this year I'm going to. You just know me. You just 1 million subscribers होंगे ना, मैं आपसे बात नहीं करूँगी कभी भी नहीं, मैं किसी से भी नहीं करूँगी, मैं इससे भी नहीं करूँगी, ये चीज़ है पीछे ना, out of league. Doing this. How does my stack look, guys? You're good. That's so mean. I love every single one of you who watches my video. Yeah. Mwah. I got the Alfredo. Now we're gonna do this, and we need something to call her. If we don't do it, she's gonna kill us. So let's do it. Hey, it's like ਅਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਾਇਆ Evie. UCL premium. It's okay, no one cares. Literally Punjabi में उन्होंने हमें जवाब दिया and he was like, we're Canadian. Are we Canadian? Trying to do a bonfire here. FDR dessert. New Year special. But yeah, the bonfire is helping, guys. हो जाएगा. Yes! But yeah, I hope there's not ash on her. Good morning, guys. It's currently 1:15 in the morning. Yeah, we're gonna do. Actually, it's raining. The weather. It was meant to. We have like questions here. We're gonna ask. सबसे पहले, it's like, how can I move on?
Don't ask us.
Don't ask us. Don't ask us.
बेसिकली अगर आपके पास उनकी कोई भी रेमिनेंट चीज रह गई है,
Throw
आप अपने ऑफ के घर जाके आप उसे ऊपर से फेंको.
Let them know you threw it.
सेकंड वे आप ईंट से तोड़ दो.
हाँ.
ईंट से just like watch it
Smash
break.
it. Watch it break.
Let it just let it go. Like, just let it go.
More fish and
It can't get more embarrassing
Yeah.
for you than this.
yeah.
Ask me. Ask us.
Ask us. Guess red flag that you secretly defend. Like mean to like girls. Kabhi bhi nahi. I'm the
She's
sweetest.
just mean to me.
Yeah. I'm like the sweetest girl best friend girlfriend you'll ever have. लेकिन अगर आप अलग opposite gender के हो ना, मुझसे आप ना तमीज से बात करो. Like मैं आपसे नहीं करूँगी तमीज से बात. Why do you think? और फिर अगर मैं आपको
बोलूँ मैं आपको.
I'm not that mean. I'm not mean. She just like will curse in her bloodline, but she's not that mean. No, not mean. That's दोस्तों के साथ तो you can curse, right?
Her biggest red flag is like she never ever knows when it's time to leave. She never knows.
You just stab me in the heart.
No, like no, genuine. हर चीज में. It applies in like life lessons. Leave a friendship. No, you actually do leave friendships.
That's so mean. यार लड़कियों को छोड़ देती.
Like अगर वो आपको कुछ कह रहा है negative, she will say, "What have you gone through?"
कुछ सोच के कह रहे हैं. हाँ, मैंने कुछ किया होगा पहले.
That's like a flaw, more like a red flag. Let's tell you the red flag. Lazy. She is lazy, peak lazy. She's very lazy.
मैं वेली नहीं होती. मुझे सोचना होता है.
And defending it. Proof. And a crush.
आपके entire
You. If you were to live in any TV show, anime, movie, etc., which one would you choose and why?
Flash. No. The 100.
Why?
Because it's fun.
Why? Explain why.
Because I love it. यार I love it.
Some sort of romance.
आप जिसने उस साइड से लीड एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी की जो है.
नहीं, I would be like the main character. Like she has her life together. One guy. What's your embarrassing school memory?
I don't have any. I don't
You have many. Summer में क्या क्या होता था?
I don't know any embarrassing shit I did.
One thing was like I was very short. I'm very short. तो like तो हमने heels पहनी हुई थी और ना I was running in them. यहाँ पे मेरी पूरी क्लास है and I was running in my heels. बाहर fell. Maryam grabbed my arms. My other friend grabbed my legs. और ये दोनों कह रही हैं इसको ऐसे ऐसे करें. And they did it. Like उनसे उठाई नहीं जा रही थी मैं. यहाँ पे भी वाला माइनस हुआ. But then I was like, please छोड़ो.
मैं कितनी मोटी.
मुझे नीचे रखो. मुझे नीचे रखो. Please, everyone's staring. And they all were like,
What are you doing?
is she? I was like, yeah, and it was like such an embarrassing part. It was not the पूरी class, वो पूरा school. पूरा school था.
हमारी
पूरा
क्लास
school था.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
यहाँ पे इधर हमारी क्लास है 9th, उधर 10th है. They're doing taekwondo, they're doing everything. Sports fest के events चल रहे हैं. Like we are planning. दूसरी तरफ बच्चे are like doing everything. और मैं यहाँ पे gymnastics कर रही हूँ. मैं उस यहाँ पे हुला हुप होता है जिससे आपने करके अंदर से जाना होता है, ठीक है? तो that's easy. Gymnastics तो मैं easy कर लेती हूँ. मैं गई, मैंने किया.
और लाइक मैट्रेस था सामने लेकिन शी उसका कोई तुम्हारे एंकल उनका
It's like we're not exaggerating.
I went to like the backside of that
School.
yeah and उधर जाके guess what's waiting for me. Guess what's waiting for me. A big मेरे मुंह से बड़ा helium heart balloon.
That was so cute.
But it was like great.
Sixth grade. Sixth grade.
And I'm like a hijabi at the time.
Yeah, like Maryam is like the hijabi introvert, doesn't talk to
But-
guys,
and you
nothing.
think it's okay giving her a heart balloon like
और वो भी back side पे like I really like you.
मेरी साउथ से खड़ी हुई है और उधर एक और भी बंदा था.
Like
It's
my
like all
cousin.
four of us there and
हाँ.
हम दोनों middle में. I'm like, please would you please ही कर रहा था. Please
हाँ.
like I love you. I like you. Would you be my girlfriend? पता नहीं क्या ये सब
पता नहीं क्या.
I don't like you. in
मरियम
that
तो
way.
वही मर जाएगी.
नहीं,
I cannot breathe.
इससे अच्छा मैं बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स दे दूं जाके.
Genuine. It's like them.
हाँ then मैंने रिजेक्ट कर दिया. जैसे उसका मीसना था.
हाँ.
बलून तो रख लिया. मैं अच्छा मैंने ठीक है बलून रख लिया. मैं बस बलून का मैं अब क्या करूँ. हाँ इसके बाद अब ब्रेक.
Like okay मैं बताती हूँ. फिर like break में पता क्या हुआ? Like Maryam and we rejected him. We're chilling in our break time. Like break time है.
वर्स्ट
Okay?
थिंग हम एक ही क्लास में बैठे होते थे.
Yeah. So like we're just chilling.
हाँ.
अब break है. Oh my god! My cousin runs to me. पागल हो गया वो. पागल हो गया. क्या हुआ है?
क्या हुआ है?
क्या हुआ है? कुछ हुआ है? और फिर मेरा my cousin basically we like all together we were like a crew tells me and the oak.
हम लोग गए उधर पीछे वाली
हाँ.
साइड पे. बेसिकली एक पीछे पूरा ग्राउंड था और उधर कोई नहीं होता था. उधर
कोई
बस
भी नहीं.
वो एक जगह होती थी बैठने.
bench.
We were sitting there. We were like क्या ही हो रहा होगा. I'm still traumatized.
Genuinely.
Like there's like a knife.
Knife.
There's like a copy.
And there are scissors on his side. Really in the zone. कोई पता नहीं किसी टाइम अपने आप को मार दे. Genuinely register फटा हुआ है.
से
That's like wait let me imagine. Come. This is like the knife. This is the knife. This is the register. वो बैठा हुआ है. On it.
like मम्मा ने तो ऐਵੇਂ नहीं लेके दिया register. I was so traumatized after.
Maryam was so scared. Maryam was like, I will date you. He was like, I'm gonna kill myself. He tells that to my cousin. मैंने मर जाना है, मैंने नहीं सुबह जाना. I'm gonna kill myself. And I'm there.
I'm 6th grader.
We were like, my friends were there. हम सब थे and we were like, it's okay. Mariam rejected you, but we can be friends.
Yeah, I was like, we can be friends. Like,
We can be friends. दोस्ती करते हैं. Let's have good friendship.
and
No,
then
मैंने नहीं बात करी.
लेकर आया, कहते ब्रेक टाइम है. लाइक मुझे बुला एक दिन तो सो बुलाने आते थे. आपको बुला रहे हैं. पूरा वो बॉलीवुड एंट्री होती है.
हाँ.
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून, तू ही अखियों की ठंड.
आपने मुझे बुलाया.
वो पूरा ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ था वो रिसेप्शन. मेरी रिंग. मैं
Twice or thrice.
नहीं मुझे नहीं रिंग चाहिए. तो प्लीज रख लो. मैंने कहा I'm sorry. प्लीज रख लो. I'm sorry.
We will be recreating.
The rings.
Yeah. Mariam, ले लो ये please.
नहीं, I'm sorry.
No, you have to.
I'm sorry. नहीं. I don't like it.
इतनी बड़ी रिंग थी, इतनी बड़ी.
पहली.
And Mariam took it, and Mariam was like,
अच्छा पीछा छोड़ दो मेरा. I don't
Okay.
like. I was like, I don't like you now.
क्योंकि हमें पता था इसका फिर से क्रैश आउट होने लग जाना है.
I don't want to see you hitting like.
अच्छा okay, it's just a ring. हम ले लेते हैं. We will throw it later. लेकिन आप क्रैश आउट ना करना. That balloon was so cute.
Like how? Where did he pull it?
Where did he pull it?
Hot का helium balloon off.
It was, I'm not joking. Helium balloon था heart वाला.
Like
Bag में वो
फूला होगा
फुसलाया,
उसमें.
हाँ, फूला.
मैं फेंक रहे थे.
So we took his geometry, like जब हम दोस्त बने थे, हमने उसको ऐसे
When he
फेंकी.
finally accepted the fact.
Not together. Yeah, never happening.
Gymnastics class.